Oh, you rotten old bastard. See, what I want to know is, why does technology always aim to thwart us at every bloody turn? Anyway, how the devil are we? Good. I'm off to Cheddar Gorge today. But first I'm going to meet up with a friend of mine and a friend of yours, young Derek from Solo Moto UK. Ooh. Bit crazy. That's going to annoy me. It's not even recording. I've set up all my paraphernalia. I've got a 360 down there still, which is good. I've got a smart car in front of me doing 40 mile an hour, which is bad. Why are you doing 40? Alright, 45. Remember the speed bumps. Well, today, or should I say this morning, 303. We're going to join that down that way. What? Turn left. Bugger. We don't want... Well, I'm going... What? How can I go the wrong way? How can I turn the wrong way? I've got two sat-navs on. They both said turn left. So I turned right. What a cock. Come on, sunshine. Oh, I've got to find somewhere. I've got to find some... Oh, I could have turned there. I've buggered it up. Right. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, there's a fucking lorry coming. That's not good. See, what got me there was it said turn right, then it said turn left, I think. Because it's a staggered crossroads. And I wasn't paying attention, I was gambling. I've buggered it up! What a moose. It's the trouble with reliance on technology rather than going the way you know. See, for me, to get the Western-super-Mare, I'd have gone to Taunton, picked up the M5 and gone straight up. But Bert and Ernie up here both wanted to come this way. just hit my boot? Something hit my boot. It wasn't my camera. It wasn't this. I don't know if you can see it. I'd like to get my drone up over there one day. I know where you're taking me. Wonder what hit my boot. It's a really great lump, isn't it, that hill? It's fascinating. Well, alright, I'll show. You may not think it's fascinating. I think it's fascinating. How the landscape forms. Now you see from the front it looks like just a dollop of mashed potato out of a scoop, or a scoop of ice cream. But when you come around the side of it, you can see the sort of tear-shaped, elongated cock rod. That's what it's called, cock rod. What a view, look at that. Beautiful view out across there. Jesus Christ. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, this is a strange place to live, I think. You've gotta be fucking kidding me. Battery level is low. I checked it yesterday and it was high. No, I know, alright, I know. I left it on all day at work, which was a bit dumb, but that would explain it, you prick. Right, I'm going to switch you off for a moment, I think. Ooh, if I can find you. Right, so we're going to join the M5 now. Now, unfortunately, I've got no idea of my ETA now. Because let's get some speed up, people, for fucking hell's sake.
To
shit. All right, Garrett. All right. Hey? Yeah. Right then, we've got Derek in tow. We're in sunny Weston-super-Mare. And we're going to head off down to the seafront. I think we're going the right way. I think we're going the right way. Yeah. Those lights are bright. Are they? I thought you were going to give her a blast of the horn. Yeah. It's one way, I think we've got to go round.
Right, okay then.
I'll tell you what, it's a bloody mess, isn't it, all these one ways and whatnot. Well, it confused the hell out of both sat-navs, to be honest. Bloody navigating. Keep going. A little bit more. Whoop.